We're talking snow for Thursday. Those snow showers developing overnight. I think the biggest impact for your Thursday morning will be along north of Interstate 70. Then as warmer air moves in, we'll transition over to some light rain. May end as just a little bit of snow going into the evening. As far as accumulation is concerned, under an inch for the Indianapolis area, and even where we see that band of 1 to 2 inches, a lot of that's going to be on the grassy surfaces because temperatures throughout the day will actually warm above the freezing mark pretty quickly, around 40 degrees as we head into the afternoon.